All right, A to Z window tinting, meaning I'm gonna go ahead and do a tutorial, full tutorial on, let's say, doing a back door. It could be any door, but very first thing, and I think I already did this off camera, but I said I'm gonna do it on camera, right? You have a window and it's coming from the outside, just regular off the street. It's gonna be dirty. If you wanna make a pattern here, you wanna go ahead and lower it, and of course, with all that area, and you do want to get yourself a rag that is going to be dedicated only to doing this kind of touchy thing, because that stuff is going to be contaminated. You can additionally, since you're already here, kind of like do one of that, because when you're on the inside doing this flushing, you're flushing some of the stuff out, but some of these, that stuff that you see, all that white, you might not be able to dislodge it with the glass up. It's just a lot easier. Just do this, what I'm doing right here. Put your finger like that and just kind of clean it, and we're good. Let's go ahead and do our thing so we can do it. The window, like I said, is going to be cruddy, dirty from, let me get one of these. Coming from the street, so that's the reason I actually have these, have had them for a long time. We want to touch the outside of the glass with this kind of deal. We never want to use these very expensive blades, because these are going to be cutting with all that sand and whatever. You're going to be messing up the blade, right? So get this guy. I'll leave him here momentarily. I'm going to get my pattern here. It is a 20% carbon, just the back door. I pre-cut a piece of film, put it up here, and before anything else, I'm going to go in and snap shrink it. I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'm going to get my thing here. This is really something you can do within seconds and you're done. Doesn't take anything but that. I don't like to do the other little theatrics of lowering the window, doing this kind of thing, and then fingers. I fucking hate all that. That's, to me, is the biggest waste of time ever. Like, whoever invented that is really just up to wasting your time. Learn how to do these steps kind of like fast and efficiently. You'll never you're going to shave a lot of time off your installs, and that's, I think, primarily if somebody is going to take a tutorial on tinting windows, it's probably going to be on how to do it efficiently and faster, cleaner, smarter, all that kind of thing. I'm not going to be here ever and be showing you bad moves on tinting any windows. I'm just not going to do that. So anyway, we're here, we're there. Go ahead and cut this excess off. I could be doing the pattern from the computer, which is 99% of what I do, but this is a hand cutting tutorial. There she is. Here's our thing right here. I'm going to move the glass just a little bit so it can be right on the edge, kind of like there. All right. I'm going to get this wet right here so she can stick properly. Same here. She's over like a 1/4 inch, so that's where we kind of want her at. I'm getting a buzzing on my leg. My phone is ringing. I am using carbon blades. Don't use this pointy ones. This is just what I have. This is really a PPF blade. If you're going to be doing that, you can do it kind of like, if it's something small and you know where it's going, then it's okay to kind of follow that along and cut this little thing out of there if you like. I mean, it's going to be in a kind of a hidden place, so nobody's really going to see it. Same thing here. This is going to be kind of hidden. The only thing you're going to see is probably about this right here in the glass. You won't see nothing else. Same here. You're not going to see anything. Same here. We're going to go ahead and bottom load that because we did move the sweep back. We did not remove the sweeps. What I mean by, you see that right there? We pried it back a little bit so we can bottom load the thing in there. And I don't have a cover on it. I should have a cover on it, so let me see if I can get a cover right now. Cover meaning this guy right here. I'm gonna put this guy real quick. It belongs. And perhaps a little bit of there. So I can kind of like not really get the pattern too wet. There you go. I'm sorry, the panel, not the pattern. There you go. A little bit of that. Door guards will help you. Here you go. Here. Go ahead and use our thing here. our trusty plastic blade all the way down, all the way down. What I was telling you a little while ago is that when we do this, we're touching the glass. We're not necessarily touching this on this end, and that's where lowering it all the way down and doing it with a rag, you're going to be able to work on it. ¿Todo bien, León? ¿Mande? ¿Quién? Ok, excelente. Gracias. So clean it up real good like that. If I hear something like that, I'm going to stop and I'm going to probably take a square blade out and maybe dislodge whatever is really pretty hard on there. But right now, nothing is hard on there. So this is a dirty rag, so find something that is not so dirty. You might touch this. You probably will when you're trying to do your bottom load. So I'm going to ask you to do this. One long swipe. And we're good there. Okay, go ahead and start doing this real quick. There you go. Ambidextrous, both hands. All the way down, all the way down. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and lower it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use this to clean my blade real quick. Just like that. I'm gonna do one more, just like that. Real controlled water. Controlled water is always going to be excellent for controlling, spewing, dislodging pieces of dust particles from the sides or wherever else they might be in. When you put a lot of pressure, it blows air in there and perhaps dislodges some of the dust particles onto your film or your glass area that you're tinting. Hit the glass, don't hit this, hit the glass so you can all the water will slide down along with contaminations, and do it very methodically, just like that. Do this. I do have the pattern here. I think that I need to touch this one more time. Here it is. Check it out. Yep, it works. So this one should work. Got my pattern here. He's gonna go there. I have no gloves on right now, so I'm going to touch them with my fingernail, and that'll be the only place I touch this film. Way at the bottom with my fingernail, but I would not encourage you guys to touch the film anywhere on the adhesive side. Try to avoid touching film like if it had herpes. If you do that, you'll have a much cleaner install. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get it under our arms just like this. We're going to go ahead and make contact here on the right side. Make contact here. I told you it was going to touch, and it probably will. Right here. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can do as much as I can here. There you go. And take her to the right just like this. So I can, right there. There you go. There you go. Do this and this, kind of like that motion. I did promise you we weren't going to see that, and we're probably not. Not too much. There you go. Where it's real nice close to the top as possible, like for a hand cut. Here's my tool right here. There you go. As high as possible. I'm going to touch them de una vez so I can go ahead and start locking them in. Lock, 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 and see what's going on. Touch and tap, touch and tap. Touch and tap. All right, I'm gonna use my all-in-one to access the deep side in there. I'm gonna tap just like this, touch hard here, and then roll them up, straight up, just like that. And there we are. We'll do our thing there. Straight down, straight down, straight down, straight down. Straight down. Boom, boom, boom. Again, with our all-in-one, all the way to the inside, all the way down there, all the way inside, all the way down. Do our thing here. Move our cover. And that's the reason we didn't want any water, and so we kept it very, very nice and dry. All right, I think that is it. We're only kind of matching this older film, which it almost does, you know. Pero ya está. This is your daily feed of hand cutting, install, bottom loading tutorial. Everything clean. The side is like absent of contaminants. The side is absent of contaminants, which is awesome. It's all we wanted. Have a good, fast, efficient, clean installation. Clean your outside. We did get a little bit dirty. You want your 5-star review? Do that. You'll get it. Have an amazing day.